If you have an import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app without using agent, consider watching this video right now because I'm going to show you a step-by-step tricks on how to set password-free and direct payment to Chinese supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app. This is very good tips, most especially for people that usually forget their password payment on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yabu. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about importation business. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to make password free and direct payment to suppliers in 1688 Chinese shopping app. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you open up your 1688 shopping app. So after you open up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to your profile. Then the next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to enable this. So you can see at the top right here, Alipay one-step payment. Okay, and the instruction simply means here is that each time you want to make purchase on 1688 for any item below 200 yuan, you will not be required to enter payment password any longer. The payment will be done automatically, and it has been successfully linked with 1688 as your merchant, and your Alipay account number is going to be followed. Next thing you need to do is to come down below here and click on this blue button right here just to link the Alipay and 1688 shopping app with password payment for free. And with that, you can pay any Chinese supplier without entering your password, most especially if your purchase is below 200 yuan on 1688 Chinese shopping app or any other platform that you want to make a purchase, provided that the supplier has a link back to 1688 as the merchant into this Alipay account. So this is how to make password free and direct payment to any suppliers in 1688 Chinese shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about importation business. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.